In this video, we'll learn how to graph the linear equation y equals 3/2 times x. We'll go through this step by step, starting with identifying the key parts of the equation. Here's our equation, y equals 3/2 times x. The standard format for a linear equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. For our equation, the slope m is 3/2 and the y-intercept b is 0. Let's break down the information. The slope of the line is 3/2, indicating that for every 2 units we move to the right, we move 3 units up. The y-intercept is 0, so that means the line crosses the y-axis at 0, 0. Now that we have this information, we can set up a table of values to graph our line. Let's choose some x values and calculate the corresponding y values. This will give us some specific points that the line goes through. Let's now plot these points on a graph. We'll set up our coordinate system with x and y axes. We'll plot each point from our table onto the graph and mark them clearly. Let's start with the point -2, -3. Next is -1, -1.5. Then 0, 0, the point 1, 1.5. And finally 2, 3. Finally, we connect these points with a straight line. This line represents the graph of the equation, y equals 3/2 times x. We can now see that the line matches our expectations. It has a slope of 3/2 and crosses the y-axis at 0. This concludes the graphing of y equals 3/2 times x using a table of values.